Welcome to another watch review. This time we're having a look at a fake Carl F Bucherer, which I got from AliExpress for about £20 or something, including the postage. So the real deal is a rather beautiful rose gold chronograph, which obviously costs a lot of money because it's a beautifully Swiss made watch. But if you love that sort of John Wick vibe, then this is your sort of cheap and cheerful option. And it's not bad. It's a standard sort of quartz fashion watch. Feels quite nice. Seems to have a genuine leather strap on it. All the buttons work, which is a bonus. Clear dial. Quite a nice job. Flip it over onto the back. You can see this is a real cost cutter. It's got your typical little case back protector and a little pop-up tab for getting into the back if you need to change the battery. So yeah, I thought let's open it up, have a little look inside and see what movement's in there. And what we find is the Sunom PE60, I think, chronograph quartz movement made in China. This is a decent reliable one. I think it was inside the fake moon swatch which I reviewed last year, I think it was. Yeah, the flyback buttons work, the start stop on the chrono. That's nice because on some cheap and cheerful fake watches you find that these buttons are actually just there for show. They don't do anything, but this one does. Counts the seconds, counts the minutes and flies back. It's quite a chunky thing. About 43mm across without the buttons, and it stands about 12.5mm high on the wrist. Got that rose gold colour. Not bad for the money. 20 quid, AliExpress.